Now, in sexual reproduction in human being, we have seen the male and female reproductive system. Let's see more about gamete formation. As we have seen, the sexual reproduction followed by two main steps. That is, the first one is gamete formation, which is followed by fertilization. So in plants also we have seen the same steps, because these two steps are the main part of sexual reproduction. So the first type is gamete formation. Both the gametes, that means in case of human beings, sperm and ovum, these are the two gametes. Sperms are given by man and ovums are given by women. So sperm and ovum are formed by meiosis. Sperms are produced in testes of male from beginning of maturation up till death. So men can produce the sperm from the time of puberty, that means maturation period, up till their death. Then however, in case of women, at the time of birth, there are 2 to 4 million immature oocytes. See here what is given. In case of women, there are 2 to 4 million immature oocytes at the time of birth. So an oocyte matures and it releases from the ovary every month from the beginning of maturity up to the age of menopause. As the beginning of maturity means from the age of puberty. Puberty means the maturity age. From that age to the menopause. Menopause कब आता है लेडीज़ में? अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 45 to 50s में. 50 years old लेडी में menopause आ जाता है. So this is the reproductive period of woman from puberty to the menopause. Menopause is the stoppage of functioning female reproductive system. Menopause आने से क्या होता है? Females में the reproductive system functions stops. So at the age of about 45 to 50 years, secretion of hormones controlling the functions of female reproductive system, either it stops or becomes irregular. So this is caused the menopause. Now this gamete formation process is followed by fertilization. So let's see about fertilization. Formation of zygote by the union of sperm and ovum, that is called as fertilization. That means diploid cells combine together to form haploid cell. That means that process we called it as meiosis. So ovum and sperm, male and female gamete, combine together to form fertilization. Fertilization is internal in human. It is internal. Semen is ejaculated in vagina during copulation. Sperms in the number of few million starts their journey by the root of vagina. देखो अब sperm का journey uterus तक कैसे, oviduct तक कैसे होता है? It starts the journey by the root of vagina, uterus, oviduct. One of those few million sperms fertilize the only ovum present in the oviduct. So in this way, the formation of zygote takes place in human being. From the age of puberty, puberty means maturation age, that means 10 to 17 years age, up to the menopause. Menopause means the age of 45 to 50 in ladies only. Menopause is seen in ladies only. So an ovum is released every month from the ovary. That means out of 2 to 4 million ova, approximately 400 oocytes are released up to the age of menopause. अब बहुत सारे बचते हैं, only 400 oocytes are released during every month, isn't it? So remaining oocytes undergo degeneration. वो अपने आप ही नष्ट हो जाते हैं. So remaining oocytes after menopause they get or they undergo degeneration. So this is about the gamete formation and fertilization in human being.